We will now have a closer look at the reflected pulse of the inverted F antenna. So we open a 2D plot. We see now the voltage, field strength along the transmission line. Please note that the 2D plot is scaling automatically. We have now 10 to the power of 5 volts per meter. Later it will change automatically. On the left hand side we have our excitation source in the 2D plot. On the right hand side we have the inverted F antenna. Now what we can do is we can now slowly advance the time and see how our pulse is traveling along the along the transmission line. You see the scale has now increased to 10 to the power of 8 volts per meter, and here we see a nice picture of the differentiated Gauss pulse. Now we can increase the time slowly, and we will notice that a portion of the pulse is reflected by the inverted F antenna. This could be avoided by a better adjustment of the small tab of the inverted F antenna, so that the inverted F antenna is matching better the impedance of the transmission line. So what we see is that in a later period of time of the simulation, we see a portion of the pulse being reflected on the right hand side. But we see also that this is smaller than the wave which is traveling to the inverted F antenna, and so most of the energy is radiated, but of course some energy is reflected back into the transmission line.